Din hija l-poddata numru 457 fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Fil-poddata llum se nisimgħu mingħand Jessica, Digby u Noir. U llum jiftħu l-poddata tagħna Chris u Moira.
I kicked your ass to hurry up. Yelled at me, you didn't stop. Didn't stop. I picked your bags down in my car. Hope to fly somewhere too far. Very far. My GPS was flashing bright. You smiled at the side. I swerved into a crossing cat. A ride like I hope you get. In case you might forget, I can't wait for you to get away and disappear. Get out of here. I can't wait another day before my head is clear without you here. What am I supposed to do? You bring me flowers, I'm allergic. You know, allergic. You're such a charmer with your words. You always think I'm falling for it, deeply for it. Oh, you're so full of shit, my dear. I can't see very clear. Oh, I'm sorry to waste your time. I think you'll be fine. May I remind you of the line? I can't wait for you to get away and disappear. Get out of here. I can't wait another day before my head is clear without you here. I owe you nothing, and I can hear you calling. You owe me everything, and I can watch you falling. I can face another you, telling me what to do. Where you need, would you go? I can't wait for you to get away and disappear. Get out of here. I can't wait another day before my head is clear without you here. Somebody stop me. Your body was shaking. I should've known better. Somebody stop me.
Flight 170 video hemmhekk il-minant Chris u Moira jiftaħ il-poddata tagħna llum fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor din silta li hija maħuda mill-album tagħhom 90 Nights and a Monday. U id-dettalji bħal dejjem sibuhom permezz ta' tonysand.com li hija l-website personali tiegħi li fuq ukoll issibu anke il-videos għas-siltiet li konna f'din il-poddata individwalment. U ngħaddu mill-ewwel għat-tieni waħda mela minant Jessica. Din id-darba jisimha Can't Let Go.
You got me love's gone, hung up, can't move on. Break up, love's gone, now I'm strong. Move on, I'm tough when I fight, but then I hear your voice and once again I fall. Hey, touch me like you did before, love me like you did before, hurt me like you did before. Touch me takes me higher, higher, higher. I feel the fire, fire, fire. Oh yeah. Touch me like you did before, love me like you did before, hurt me like you did before. Touch me like you did before, love me like you did before, hurt me like you did before. Just you can touch anymore, don't need your love anymore, don't need the pain, I'm gone. Don't need your touch anymore, don't need your love anymore, don't need the pain, I'm gone. Oh yes, I'm gone. Now I'm gone. Oh yeah, I'm gone.
Jessica Mek u Can't Let Go. U f'dik il-website li semmejtilkom l-ewwel, jiġifieri tonysound.com, mod mill-aktar faċli anke kif tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi, sibuni wkoll permezz tal-Facebook jew Twitter jekk tippreferu hemm min iżibnu fuq l-Instagram u anke issa fuq il-YouTube permezz ta' dawn il-videos tal-poddata. Imma li rrid ngħidilkom huwa li biex tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi jiena nu pixir mod partikolari meta tikkuntattjawni biex tixduli l-attenzjoni lejn xi ħaġa li forsi kun tajjeb li nikkunsidraha biex ninkludiha f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati. U ngħaddu għal siltora illi għandna hija maħuda minn album illi għandu joħroġ minn hawn u da xarajn oħra issa kważi bewed u ieħor jiġi fit-30 ta' Settembru fil-fatt ta' din is-sena l-2016. L-album jismu Two Sides to Everything u mingħand ir-rapper Malti Digby. Għadu kemm ħareġ din is-single minnu illi jisimha Open Spot.
Grab your drinks. This is how we rock. Party never stop. 6 in the AM. We found an open spot, yeah. This is how we rock. Party never stop. 6 in the AM. We found an open spot. Here we go now. This is how we rock. Party never stop. 6 in the AM. Found an open spot. Streets can't tell how real I am. Bitches see me passing by, be like, goddamn. First things first, I'm a beast on any beat, any streets. Fuck around, little man better be back in heat. Up in the club, bouncers lighting up my dubs. Demand respect, always in check. I wreck your neck if you don't start writing checks. Bottles pop like your brain will facelift, like spaceships take you to the matrix. Run out with me like you got blasted by an atheist. Unbelievable, that's how I party and fucking rock. Down so many shots of vodka, the club runs out of stock. That's hot. Digby, I won't stop till I'm making millions, fucking billions, like Sicilians. Rattle down with me, still no fucks giving 30. A party animal getting close to 30. This is how we rock, rock. Party never stop, stop. 6 in the AM, we found an open spot. This is how we rock, party never stop. 6 in the AM, found an open spot. Streets can't tell how real I am. Bitches see me passing by, be like, God damn. I step in the club, already wasted, faded, blunts in my hand, still blazing. Get up near the DJ, you think I'm a smoke machine. Also pumped from that white, no creatine. If I'm not clean, got my drugs over me. Sniff that pure stone till my nostrils start avoiding me. Surrounded by friends and still feel alone. My party starts at the after hours when I get home. 6 in the AM, you found an open spot. Welcome to my house, here is your nasty drop. Did the hustle, but never did the time. Street smart with a talent, so now I hustle rhymes. My weekend sleepless, sleepless. I live high every day, no regret, regret. Fuck it, I'ma keep it going till I hit the deep and work hard, get money and spend it in the weekend. This is how we rock. Party never stop. 6 in the AM. We found an open spot. Here we go now. This is how we rock. Party never stop. 6 in the AM. Found an open spot. Streets can't tell how real I am. Bitches see me passing by, be like, goddamn. This is how we rock, rock. Party never stop, stop. 6 in the AM. We found an open spot.
dik BMX mela u Open Spot. U għan forsi kun tajjeb ukoll li nfakkarkom fir-rabta li għandna mal-Malta Music Memory Project li sifu fuq m3p.com.mt dak ngħidilkom illi fih nżommu dak li għaddej bħalissa biex fil-futur niftakru anke fil-passat. U minn żmien tajjeb illi anke ma nħallix jaħarbuli minn idejja xi affarijiet li nkunilni anke biex ninkludi f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati bħal pereżempju din is-silta li ġej issa mill-album li ġib l-istess isem jiġifieri Till You Switch Off the Lights huwa grupp li rajnieh għall-ewwel darba fil-Jazz Festival tas-sena li għaddiet fl-2015. L-album tagħhom ħareġ ftit ta' xurilu qed nirreferi għall-grupp Noir. Bis-silta Till You Switch Off the Lights minn il-grupp Noir għana ġena f'tmim tal-poddata tal-mukol fis-sensiela ta' mużika motiħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sand. Qabel nħallikom fakarkom li d-dettalji u l-kuntat huwa permezz ta' tonysand.com u sa' nerġgħu niltaqgħu darb'oħra minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.